Welcome to the demonstration of 8051 microcontroller kit with LCD display. This is the 8051 microcontroller. This is the EEPROM. These are the two RAMs. These are the two 8255 IC. This is the 8253 timer IC. This is the 8251 IC for serial communication. Now there are two ways by which we can enter the program into the kit. One is by directly entering the hex code and the other is by entering the assembly program. So first we'll learn how to enter the program in the hex code. So we'll press S. S stands for substitute memory and register. So that means that whenever we want to check or make any changes to the particular memory of the register, we use this command. So we'll press enter. It shows external memory. You want to use external memory, we'll press enter. Then it asks the starting address. The starting address in this kit is 6000. So we'll press 6000 and press enter. Now this shows 6000 and at 6000 it shows 75. That means that at 6000 the present data stored is 75. Okay. Now if I want to change it, let's say I want to make it 00, so I'll make it 00. Okay. Then I press enter, I move to the next location. So when I press enter, I move to the next location, and whenever I press Ctrl U, I move to the previous location. So let's say again I'll make this 75. Okay. So in this way we can enter the program. I'll give you one more example. Let's say we press S, enter, external memory, enter 60, or we can change it to S, enter, external memory, enter 6100. Now at this location it's 00. Let's say we want to make it 11. So we'll press 11, then enter, then 22, enter, 33, enter, 44, enter. In the same way we can enter the program and change the data also according to our requirement. Now let's say what we'll do, we'll start with a simple program of displaying superb on the LCD display, which is given on the page number 36 of the manual, and it's the first program. So now what we'll do, we'll just enter the program. I have already entered the program, so I'll just run. Now to run the program, there is a way. What we do, we'll press G, which stands for go to, then we'll press enter. Then it shows us burst mode. Burst mode means that we will execute the program in one go. If we want to change the option, we'll press space, so it shows us single step. That means it will execute one instruction at a time. Then the next, it shows breakpoint. We'll give a breakpoint and the program will end there. Then again I'll press space, so I've come back to the burst mode. I'll press enter. Now I'll write the starting address of the program 6000, and I'll press enter. So as I can see that on the LCD the superb is being displayed. So we have been successful to enter the program and also to run it. Now what we'll do, we'll enter the program in mnemonics. For mnemonics, what we have to do, we'll press E, which stands for expand monitor. We'll press enter, and then we'll press A and 6000. So now we have to the 6000 location. Now let's say I want to write MOV. I can write MOV space 81 comma hash 58. So it was a 3-byte instruction. So therefore I have moved to the location 6003. Now let's say at this location I want to write the command L call 061D. So what I'll do, I'll press L C A L L space 061D. I'll press enter. This was also 3-byte instruction. So now I am at the location 6006. Now let's say I want to write move dptr comma hash 6028. So I'll write MOV space dptr comma hash 6028 and press enter. This was also a 3-byte instruction. So now I have moved to the location 6009. So in this way I can enter the program and also execute by using the same method which was described